Welcome to Shamsu's Kitchen again. Hello everyone. We're back again with another recipe. Today we're going to cook Asian style mixed vegetable with chicken. We're going to be using just a tiny bit of spices, which is like a quarter teaspoon of ginger, garlic and cumin powder, and a teaspoon of salt. Salt to taste, so I'll taste it if I need to add any more. And then we have some green peas. I have used a frozen one. You can use the fresh one for nice tastes. And then we have some green chilies, then chicken cooked with ginger, garlic and soy sauce. And here we have some sliced mushrooms and some more vegetables. So we have a little bit of cauliflower, just a small broccoli, 2 carrots medium size, egg and onion, zucchini, then cabbage, and then bok choy, a Chinese leaf. Let's go and start. So we are putting the butter on the pot first to get melted. Then I'll add the chicken and slowly I'll add all the vegetables together. Actually, carrot goes first with the onions, and then the rest goes after this. All vegetables are cut and ready to go for our cooking. I'm gonna add these small spices first with the chicken and cook it for a little while. Then I'll add carrot and zucchini. Added the onion, ginger, garlic and cumin powder with just 1 teaspoon of salt. Just cook it for a couple of minutes, not much, because I don't want any vegetable, including the onion, to lose its color. It should look fresh. So add a tiny bit of water. Forgot to tell that with this vegetable, at the end we're gonna be adding just 2 teaspoons of corn flour. Alright, I've already added the mushrooms. Now I'm going to add cauliflower and broccoli, green peas and the chili, cabbage. Then wait for this to get a little bit cooked. Should be half cooked, the rest will get cooked after we turn off the stove. There you go, vegetables are cooked but hasn't lost its color. That's the nice thing. So I'm just gonna add a bit of water and I'll add the egg and corn flour after that. Then it should be ready. Corn flour and egg was added. Now it's time to dry it up a bit. That's it, all cooked and done. I just don't want it to get overcooked. There you go, it's ready. I wish I could have taken it off just a little bit before. Still alright. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.